Welcome everyone. We know that if it is a block of mass m and length capital L, and if it is of uniform density just like the marker here, so its center of mass will be at its center. Okay. So we are basically using that technique in this problem. Identical blocks of mass capital M and length capital L are placed one above the other such that each extends out by the maximum length, and find the maximum extension of the nth block from the top. So let us consider it is my first block and it is a mass M and it is of length L. So let name it as P and Q, and its center of mass will be at that particular point, let us say C1. Okay. Now if I place another block just below this such that its edge of this block, let me draw, that is capital R and S, that is the capital S edge of this block will be just below the center of mass of PQ. Then this block will not fall. So we can say, in other words, we can extend this PQ block over the RS block by a length L by 2. Now we have to find out what is the combined center of mass of this PQ and RS block. So before that, if I just find it out that the center of mass of this RS block similarly at the length L by 2, okay. So if I just say this point as the origin, considering the C1 point as the origin, if I try to find out where this center of mass of this combined system lies, so I have to follow this calculation, that is capital M into 0, the center of mass of the block PQ plus capital M into L by 2, that is the center of mass of the block RS, but we can say here is a negative sign since it is on the left hand side of the origin I have considered, divided by the total mass. So if I calculate this, it will be minus of L divided by 4. Okay. So we can say it is at a certain distance here. So if I denote it by O1, then this is the combined center of mass of the PQ block and RS block. Okay. Now if I place another block, let me draw identical block of mass M and length L. So it will be T U such that this H capital U is just below this O1. Then this PQ block and the RS block will not fall down. So at that particular case we can say this RS block can be extended outside by the length L by 4. Now we have to understand what is the center of mass of this combined block system, that is PQ, RS, TU. Okay. So for that again C3 is here, which is at a distance L by 2. So considering this O1 as the origin, if I try to find out what is the center of mass, that is capital M into 0, capital M into 0, for what? For the combined system of PQ and RS. So I have to place 2m here, 2m into 0 plus capital M, the mass of the block TU, into minus of L by 2 divided by 2m plus m, that is 3m, and if I calculate this, that will be minus L by 6. The combined center of mass of the PQ block, RS block and TU block is at that particular point, say O2. So if I want to place another block just below it, So I can place it just like this, that is VW we can say, and this distance will be L by 6. Okay. So it is decreased by multiple of 2. So we can say if I just doing this, then for the nth block we can extend outside, that is L by 2n, that is L by 2, L by 4, L by 6 and then L by 2n. Thank you.